case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1961, 11 black parents filed a school desegregation lawsuit against the School Board of Richmond, Virginia. They demanded the disestablishment of the existing dual system and its replacement with a unitary system. Various desegregation plans submitted were deemed unacceptable, leading to a protracted legal battle. Ultimately, in 1970, the plaintiffs were awarded expenses and attorney's fees for the board's unreasonable delay. However, this decision was later reversed by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit. The Supreme Court of the United States took on the case, Bradley v. School Board, in 1974, focusing on the concept that courts should use the laws in effect at the time when making a decision, unless doing so would be unfair, or if there is a law stating otherwise. It ruled that the district court's fee award did not fulfill Section 718's requirement for the prevailing party to benefit from the order. Instead, the district court could award reasonable attorney's fees for services from March 10, 1970, to or past April 5, 1971. The case was remanded for further proceedings in line with the Supreme Court's opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.